Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. All right, I got a St. Patrick's Day look for you guys today, so stick around with me, and if you enjoy, please hit that like button, and of course, if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. So I'm going to start with getting my locks back. I'm also going to do a little refresh of my curls at the end, so stick around for that. So we're going to get these, again, curls out of the way, and off camera, I'm going to get my face and brows ready. These are the products. I will have everything listed down below for you guys, and this is the palette I'm going to be using today, the Huda Beauty palette here, this green one. I got this gifted to me from a friend, and I'm finally jumping into it, and I'm so excited. I'm starting off with some jumbo pencils. I'm going to use a gold one and a green one. So I'm going to place those first and then blend them out with the pad of my fingers. After that, I'm going to pick up a matte shade, this really nice light green one. I'm pulling it into the center and a little bit to the outer third. Then on the farthest outer third, I'm placing a matte green, a darker matte green, and then blended those together. And in the inner corner, I placed a sparkly gold. I was really, as you can see, amazed with the pigment of these shadows. They're absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to try more palettes from Huda Beauty. They're amazing. So then a light green shimmer on the middle of my eyelid, and then this dark green shimmer on the outer third. Then I used another shade, it's almost like a greenish brown, and I use that to blend out the outer third and work it through my crease. Here I just added a little more green and then blended it again. Once we got both eyes all caught up, I'm going to jump down to the lower lash line. So I'm going to use that brown and green matte shade and very sloppily blend it out. Then on the inner portion, I'm going to use the light green shimmer, and the inner corner, the gold shimmer, and on the outer third, the dark shimmer, and blend all those colors together. I did get a little fallout, so I used some tape, picked it up, and done. Then for the lower waterline, I'm going to put a glide-on pencil from Urban Decay. Eyeliner time. So picking up my favorite liquid eyeliner. This is from L'Oreal. I'm just doing a very, very simple eyeliner and a very tiny, tiny wing. For mascara, I'm going to use two different types of mascaras. I'm going to use the first one with 2 coats, and then here is the second one with just 1 coat. I'm going to hit the bottom lash line, or excuse me, the bottom lashes with a different one. Then for my bronzer and blush, I'm jumping into this Juvia's Place palette. We got the bronzer, we got the blush. Let's go ahead and apply it. Time to set. Now you don't want to forget this step because we got a night full of hanging out and celebrating, so we want everything to stay put. Quick fan out, and once everything is nice and dry, move on to highlight. So I'm going to hit the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and do not forget sexy, sexy time, the Cupid's bow, and of course my cheekbones. Before I add the lips, I'm going to jump up to my curls, give a quick little, not so much a major refresh, I'm just going to fluff and separate the curls. I haven't done that yet after this wash day. So picking up my favorite body and hair oil from That's That Magic, I'm going to put it on the pads of my fingers and give myself a really good scalp massage. Then I did apply a little more of the oil again on the pads of my fingers, and then I'm going to separate the curls all around my head so they get even fluffier and bigger and super voluminous. I did a quick little scalp massage also with my scalp massager, but we're not done with this scalp massager yet. I'm going to pick up the Rizos Curls hairspray. So I spritz it on the scalp massager. I let it dry for just like a couple moments, and then I start to fluff and pick out my curls. Once the fluffing step is done, it is time for the lips, and this is going to complete and finish off the look. I love using this orange color, especially during St. Patrick's Day, and here is the finished look. And that is it. Thank you so much, everyone, for hanging out with me and checking out my go-to St. Patrick's makeup look. All of my curl friends and makeup lovers, I hope you have a wonderful St. Patrick's Day. Come and see me next week. Take care and stay lucky.